Okay, so here's my version of the song that Billy Strings played at Red Rocks. I played this song for years. I probably learned how to play this song before he was even born. That's how old I am. But it goes like this. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. There were two sisters walking down the road. Oh, the wind and rain. One behind pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful. Okay, so this is my version of Dreadful Wind and Rain. You know, I learned how to play this song before Billy Strings was born, I'm pretty sure. That's how old I am, how young he is. But anyway, great song. There were two sisters walking down the stream. Whoa, the wind and rain. One behind pushed the other one in, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Johnny gave the younger one a gold gay ring. Oh, the wind and rain. Didn't give the older one anything, crying, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Pushed her into the river to drown. Oh, the wind and rain. Watched her as she floated down, cried, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. Floated on down to a miller's pond. Oh, the wind and rain. As she flooded down, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. So he plucked her out on the river to dry, oh, the wind and rain. And a fiddling fool come walking by, oh, the dreadful wind and rain. And he made a fiddle bow from her long yellow hair. Oh, the wind and rain. He made a fiddle bow from her long yellow hair. Oh, the dreadful wind and rain. He made fiddle pegs from her long finger bows.